Hey guys, welcome back. It's Meka from Yes Please Planning. Now in my last video I showed you an unboxing of the Planners Anonymous monthly subscription kit, and I showed the Wild and Free kit, and I knew that it was going to be perfect to document my trip to Colorado a couple of weeks ago. I wanted to do a plan with me or process video, but I really wanted to just jump in and get my memories documented. So I already did a layout and I didn't get it filmed, but I wanted to just walk you through what I did with the kit. So here's a look back at some of the items that are in the kit, and then I'll show you how everything turned out. I did a little layout in my red patent color brush traveler's notebooks. So this is obviously not a fully set up planner. It's literally just the one insert and a couple of decorations, but this is what I did for this layout. So this Wild and Free A Beautiful Me paper was one design in the Planners Anonymous Wild and Free kit, and then these mountains were another design. And I used a lot of both of these mountain papers, so I'll kind of just explain it. So this paper, if you remember, it was like a sunset with the mountains and then a lake reflection. And so when I went to Colorado, there the skies were, you know, it was blue and snowy and gray, and I felt like this way was more of a representation of what I experienced during my trip. So I cut out, and these were, you know, this was the paper. I cut out the mountains from both sheets, and then I kind of just overlapped them here, so there's like kind of like dimension in between the different mountains. And then underneath it's actually more of like, well, you can't even see it, so it's kind of irrelevant. I wasn't sure what I wanted to do, so but underneath it has just the brown first and then the blue is on top, so it kind of echoes what I have here in the actual photo. And I wanted to kind of echo the snow, so I took some sort of watered down white acrylic paint and then just flicked it onto the paper. And then I matted a photo that I had printed out. I got it printed out at Walgreens. The quality was pretty good, not the best, but pretty good. And then just added a few embellishments. And then let's see what else. A long time ago on Blitsy.com, which is where I bought this red patent traveler's notebook, I got this copper foiled vellum that's travel adventure theme, and I didn't know how I would use it, so it's probably been a year since I've had it, and I thought it was perfect for this. So I cut out the little part that says the mountains are calling and I must go, and then I just cut off one part of one little tab from the Planners Anonymous kit to label this location, and so stuck that under there, the sequins from the kit, and added some trim. I kind of wanted to echo the fringe that is on my scarf here, so I took that over down here with some fringe ribbon trim, and then I added some embroidery floss here. And this is actually a little pull-out journaling card. It wasn't a journaling card, it was just a paper scrap. And but I did my journaling on that, and there it is, tucked it in. And oh, this word, beautiful, it's like a puffy rose gold. It's a puffy rose gold foiled sticker. This was from the Planner Society kit, I think maybe March 2017, and that's it. And so yeah, I have not done this type of memory keeping in a traveler's journal, but I've been wanting to do it for months. So I really like this, just taking 1 or 2 photos from different events or days in my life and documenting it this way. It doesn't always have to be, you know, on a planner spread. It doesn't have to be this big scrapbooking production either. So that is that, and I think I'm going to do another couple of spreads using this because there were just some photos that really that I loved a lot. But this was my first one in this journal, and this journal is actually just I think it's 90-pound watercolor paper that I cut out from a notebook, from like a tablet from Michael's, and then just, I guess I stapled it together so I can watercolor in here or just glue paper on or whatever. Let's see what else. In case you're wondering, this clip as well as this one are from Faith Artistry and her daughter's Inspired Life Studios. It was like a swap gift at from the Planner Society crop in 2017. I don't think they sell them anywhere. This gorgeous bow clip is from K&Co XOXO, and this bow charm is from Dainty K Plans. And I will link everyone below, as well as Blitsy, where you can find this red patent. It comes in a traveler's notebook as well as A5 and personal size. Oh, I didn't show you this. I saw this on, I don't know, probably Instagram, where someone just put the little sequins in their front picture pocket, and I thought that was a cute idea. I'm not exactly sure how they did it, but I wasn't trying to get too deep, so I actually just took some of the packaging from one of the cards or die cuts or something, and then I put some, you can see kind of the line there, I put some packing tape on it to seal, to make sure that nothing came out, and then taped that to the back of the scrap piece of paper, just so I could have the white background. And it just adds, some interest here. You can put a quote card or something like that, but I thought that was fun. If you are interested in subscribing to the Planners Anonymous monthly subscription kit, check out the link, use my discount code to save a little cash, and I forgot to mention earlier, you also get some exclusive printable content like planner pages and coloring pages if you have little ones that like to kind of plan along with you when you're doing your crafty stuff. So lots of freebies and exclusive content, as well as all the stuff that you get in the regular kit. This month, for February, the new kit coming out is a high tea theme. So it's just got these pretty pinks and greens and kind of aqua and coral colors in there with some florals. It will probably sell out soon, so go and take a look. If you like it, jump on it before it sells out. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you sharing your time with me. Make sure you like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and make sure you come and say hi on Instagram at Yes Please Planning. Bye-bye.